Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Buzz Lightyear popcorn bucket. Shout out to my boy for copying me this. I didn't have a chance to go to the movie theaters. I haven't watched the movie yet, but plan to pretty soon. But look at this awesome popcorn bucket. Here's where the popcorn will go. Let me see if this, look at that. Wow, that's dope. That's dope. It clicks back on. So that's where the popcorn goes. This is where you put the drink. So you would clip this on here. Okay, this is a straw. Let's see this. Wow. That's dope. That's so dope. This is cool, man. This is probably one of the best ones that's come out thus far. I know the last one I got was the Yoshi. Could do a side-by-side comparison. The Yoshi one is huge. It's pretty big. Yeah. Almost about the same height. Yeah. They're getting creative and creative. I know for a while now, these popcorn tins, they were okay, but they're getting more creative with it. But shout out to, I want to say AMC. Is it AMC or Movie Taverns that came out with this design? Super dope. Toy Story 5 in theaters now. Here are some of the other collectible buckets at other locations. Hope you got one. Enjoy.